Lagos State Command don't come react to video where they go viral because they catch him men. 2 of him officers, they catch them for computer village. That's how they talk to now. Say they thief phones. They enter person shop, come thief phone. Now they don't catch them. And person where they talk about now, where don't come defend these people. And I just say many of them now. In name na Ademuyiwa. Yeah, so he don't come and now when they talk say all these allegations say they be false. They thought say these officers say they accuse them wrongly, say they no do them. And the authors of this video, meaning say people will do this video, people will bring this matter, they say they don't paint this incident mischievously, but I don't know which color they call mischievously. He said they paint them mischievously. So I beg, now I say make her bring her on this side because now they thought say our plans with the citizens, our plans now to ridicule the entire Nigerian police force. Now I say I go bring a corner so that when I go see the thieves. Thieves in uniform, in fact, now the name be that. So I better join me, make me watch Thieves in Uniform. Hey, I mean, how we want to describe this matter now? No, this one when I just watch, how we want to describe it? Agbero catch police, abi bush meat catch hunter, abi no, I beg, how we want this? Because I need a name for this thing. Hey, so police, finally, officers, finally, una don't enter our trap. So una fit thief. Hey, no, I dey ask because the way they carry themselves, especially when they catch armed robber, they do like say for their life they never take person belonging before. See am, uniform. They even wear uniform. Now that one even shock me pass. Later now they come outside. You know they respect this uniform. Do you know this rank? Do you? No, not be uniform now. You go do armed robbery work. And this one too, they come outside, they tell us, say they make the story up, they accuse them wrongly, they do this one. No, even if you talk through now, boss, how we supposed to know? Because una don't they used to lying. How these officers they feel like, if any policeman or uniform man tell you good morning, go outside, check them. Check whether na morning or been a night. Una don't they used to lying. We never see, even when you dey right now, it dey hard for us to believe say now true you dey talk because the amara wey don full na mouth. Anytime na open mouth, na bullet dey come out, bullet of lies. Because na officer now, you don't they come outside, they tell us they accuse him wrongly, they do this one. If na normal citizen wey they catch, una see the way they drag that man. By now for just they see blood, they drop everywhere. They for don't injure and finish. I just dey pity these computer village people now. No, una go to say they no do anything, nothing. But una know, if only una know Nigerian system, una go start dey pray for them by now. Me, I don't start to. Because by this time tomorrow, una go hear matter. Say they don't enter this computer village. Go, in fact, go harass everybody where they there. Innocent people now, they go come pay for wetin they no even know, wetin they no even do. Una think say na joke. Una go wait now for year. Una go still hear this matter. They go enter that village, scatter. In fact, arrest. In fact, now they go thief. The one where they according to them, they say they no thief. Now they go thief. I no just understand Nigeria level. I no just dey understand. Officer. Now they go try change matter. No, we know now. We know now. So whether Ademuyiwa comes out, can't tell us one matter. I beg, anything what you want tell us. No be here. We go listen to you, but deep inside, we still know what they happen. They talk say police no dey thief. Police no feel. Police no be human being. No be human being. When una don't go pack, I tell una this thing before. No, just look this matter now. If I tell una say these people they go just enter street, select anybody where they want, give am uniform, I go teach her they lie. No, which kind act be this one? Disgrace. Even in uniform, disgrace. They come outside, they can't tell us. He stole, so therefore he's a thief. I be waiting na the call person wey take something wey no belong to her without permission. He's a thief. So I know they see any other name. No try rob this matter egusi soup. No change am. Abeg, na thief, my people. Hey, ole. No be smart, you know. I say I must bring a call on her side because they don't too harass us. They don't too, in fact, they don't too discriminate. They don't too train. What did they call the English? In fact, they don't too do us bad. So I must bring, see, I go expose them every day. Maybe if they not change, these ones, they go resign by force. Make una just relax. Wait till una think concerning this matter. Me, because now the first time where they see person in uniform, where they catch a red-handed, so I beg, start they drop the comment for that comment section. Anything you think concerning this matter, and make sure say you share this video. The whole Naija must know say they are uniform people. They be only very, very important. And if you never subscribe, please just click on that bell so that you know go they miss anything where we get for now. Stay tuned for our next story. Indaboski don't come again, oh. This man just a catch cruise for this country. I don't tire. Now the latest one, my people. He don't forget challenge. He don't forget every other matter. This one now, they focus on destroying people's shrine. Destroying, in fact, this one. And I don't even know whether I go fit. So you better make una sit down. No stand up. Because I don't bring a call on a screen. And it there for Ojobi village. And according to Raito say, they don't, not only amo, if you not seeing crew. Some whole camera, some whole this one, some whole that one. Many people there. And according to them, they say they wipe away all the foundation of Satan. So I bet for now we don't know how Ojobi look like. And you never seen that Boski himself before. Join me, make me watch the video.
That's who I am. That's why I'm in Daboski. That's why I'm a war and a fight to the kingdom of God. That's rubbish. Listen up, watch your mother. Watch your nya. The answer say no go na eba. What's your problem? They love the person with the key. You know that? Yeah. Rubbish. That's why we're here. What's the name of this village? Ojobi village. We are here to wipe away the foundation of Satan, and this is evil. That's why we're here to remove them. That's why I'm in Daboski. Rubbish. So what I don't know me, you watch all this thing. Yeah? I'm in Daboski,
I beg, may you not be like say I no get respect. You understand? May Percy just clarify me something. Percy what we just watch now. Now, social media influencer have been a pastor. No, I know they insult anybody. Now question. I need to know because my people, the kind of things where I just they see. I know and I don't confuse. Liquid Metal himself, the lion of all lions. Chai! When I hear what they talk, also no, bring the camera. Now camera don't turn to camera. Igbo kwenu. But abeg, on a serious note, I know they like when person always want to show himself, and you know they do anything. You understand? Now why I bring this matter? That place where I just watch. How it be for una eye? Because for my own eye, it look like wetin they don abandon how many years ago. That place no look like one fresh shrine where you go say person still dey there. Now why I come today? To give him my own advice. Abeg, wetin they call am? In the mosque. Abeg, bring her outside. Bros, sorry, sir. If you don't say you won't do, no, you don't say me and you will be one. Now why I call you now so that I will give you my advice. If you don't say you won't show power, you won't show people say yes, God call you, you get power, you feel do all things. I know they argue. No, me. Hey, I know they argue, but my own be say I beg, I won't give you location. You know Okija Shrine. You say you know am. Now there you go. That place. No, see, you know even all this one way they do nah, you they waste your time, my brother, and I know they like me, they waste time. Go Okija Shrine, sharp. If you don't say it's sure for you, all this thing where they try demonstrate, go. For now we don't know where Okija Shrine they for Anambra State. That place. Una say as they laugh. Danger. Now that place politicians they go during election. That place no be joke. Hey? If you want see now why did they win election anyhow? Very bloody, bloodically bloody. That place no trial. So I won't make it go there. All this scatter break where they break. My people, if you not see this man the next day, change my name to Veronica. If you not see. No, because we don't do the year matter. We don't do the year this one. You want to show yourself. You want now. So you come out the other time. You can raise the dead. You can do this one. I don't tire. So now I don't come in so that we'll make it work easy. I know they believe in all these shrine things, but based on matter where reach me, and I'm not saying no go fit trial. So make it go. You understand? I don't tire for this. This man they supposed give a Grammy award as they give Burna Boy. In fact, he's supposed to follow. So that we go just, or better still make it join Hollywood. You understand? So that if they waste talent. If this guy enter Hollywood now, Obia, you don't blow. This one way they trend, you never start the trend, bros. You go, your talent, they go resurrect them. See the people who follow and see crowd. 9 people, apart from villagers, we come they peep. 9 people full there. I even they pity una self. I they pity una because una no say when una they follow person like this, una no say carry something. This man he get back up. If one thing just arise now, una go say how this man go run. In fact, he go just go match leg forward, disappear. He get back up. Una just they follow and they go. Una no even, some of them say una no even carry oil. Not to talk of wetin you go use say okay in case of something. Odumeje, lion. All this way they do not the necessary, bros. Now why me? I always dey bring solution. Una know me by now. I don't know why I bring this matter, my people. It's unnecessary. Maybe that one too hard. Boko Haram. No, Boko Haram. All those small, may we start from the small ones. All those small, what did they call them? Vigilante. All those ones, mieti. All those, where they disturb our lives. Make it start from there. You say you get power. You don't they make no sense. Show us something. No, they travel 100 kilometers, 1,000 kilometers just to go and destroy abandoned shrine because you know say the owner no dey there. I just hope and I dey pray for you. Say by the end of all these things, you no go end up the way they think say you go end up. Because now as I dey see you, your hand just dey enter different corners. May this thing no just affect you at the end because wetin you dey try show to people, e go still come back to light. This life no please anybody, no do anything because you wan show yourself. Last na your slippers you go remove put on top your head. Na go not talk say na me talk am, na like that e go be. My people, na the matter be this o. Our una lion. Wetin dey call am? Odumeje, lioness, liquid metal. All the names of this world na im get am. So I don bring am come una side so that una go see how the powerful man dey destroy the shrine. Wetin una gats talk concerning this matter, start dey drop am for that comment section. And make sure say you share this video so that everybody go know say we get powerful man of God for Nigeria wey go soon go end Boko Haram mission. Very very important. And if you never subscribe, just click on that thing. No go kill, just support your girl, understand? Stay tuned for our next story.